Hi, my name is AJ, and I passed the NCLEX-RN on the first try thanks to coaching from my coach, Kevin Gibson, aka the Boot Nurse. I took my exam on the 13th of February and received my result of pass on the 15th of February. Kevin coached me ever since January 7th, 2024. I was able to ask him any questions that I had, and we just talked about the NCLEX in general. He taught me things about the NCLEX I didn't know. I didn't know what a computer adaptive test was until Kevin broke it down for me. Within the coaching program, I was provided with a study schedule where I was able to map out what content I would be studying on what day, and what day I'll be taking my quizzes, what days I will be practicing my readiness exams, and what days I would take practice computer adaptive tests. So that was very helpful. Also, the most valuable of them all, Kevin provided his phone number. That enabled me to reach out to him whenever I needed to. If I had any questions, he promptly got back to me. He always delivered on his promise. Kevin's method is to make sure that he focuses his coaching on you personally. So it's based off of your strengths and weaknesses. And he intertwines the 4 major client needs groups with the coaching sessions. Every time that I took a quiz and I didn't perform too well in the area, he made sure to go over that content with me. He read over rationales and explained the whys behind things that we were talking about. Kevin gave me the confidence to break down a question, understand what it means, and be able to select the correct answer based off the knowledge that I already had. He reassured me that I already had the knowledge in my head, I just needed to know how to apply it. So that was very helpful. The program is fully adaptable to any schedule. I was working full-time on night shift while completing coaching, so Kevin made time for me. The schedule is very open. He'll make sure he's available for you if needed. All you have to do is communicate. All of the coaching sessions were recorded and easily accessible if you needed to go back and review something that you may have forgotten or missed. One thing that really stuck out with me throughout the process was Kevin approached his coaching the way I understood in the military. So Kevin always said, train how you fight. So that means to train the same way that you want to perform when you get to test day. Your body and mind will already be conditioned because you've been training the same way during your routine. Kevin still makes himself available after the exam, which is a nice thing. He doesn't have to, but he still follows up with me, making sure I'm good, and follows me through my new journey as a nurse. I texted him directly after the exam and told him I was worried about it, and he assured me that he knows I performed the same way that I performed during my coaching session. So he always believed in me, and I appreciated that, and I needed that the whole time I was going through the process. I would wholeheartedly give this program 5 stars. You're not going to get a coach that's going to keep it real about failures. No one I know can speak out loud about their failures, but Kevin uses his failures in order to propel others to success, which I like about him. He doesn't hide anything, he keeps it real, and he kind of uses his experience to kind of tailor your learning experience or your coaching experience. I highly recommend this program to others, and thank you for your time. That's my testimony, and thank you, Kevin, for your coaching, and thanking you for allowing me to be successful.